Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to easily unlock protected Excel sheets and workbooks without password. Okay, let's get started. First, open Excel, click here, type Excel, click here, okay, then please type something here under sheet 2, 3, okay, now just click on review, protect sheet, enter password, again enter password. Okay, now let's protect the workbook. Okay, here we right click here. Yeah, insert delete, rename and mode or copy, tab color, head and unhead are what? Disabled. Why? Because the workbook is protected. And also when we type something under sheet 2, we can't type or edit or enter some value. Why? Because it is what? Protected worksheet. Okay, save as the file. Let's say report. Okay, save it at desktop. Save. Then close the window here. How to enable file extension? We click here, view. Here file name extension must be what? Check here. Tick it. Remove. Then here let's copy the file in case of file corruption. Copy, paste. Then right click, rename. Then let's this one remove this and type zip. Okay, if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Okay, now double click here, Excel, then drag workbook and drop here, right click, open with notepad. Then under format, word wrap must be what? Ticked. Then Control plus F, type protect. Okay, find next. Yeah. Okay. Just select from this one up to here. Delete this file. Delete. Okay, file, save it, then close here. Now right click here and delete files, old file. Drag this one. Then click here. Now the protected sheet is what? Sheet 2. Drag this one and drop here. Right click. Open with notepad. Control plus F. Then type protect again. Protect. Find. Okay. Select this one too. Here. Then delete this file, save it, delete sheet 2, drag this one. Okay, now close here. Now right click, rename this side here, XL, XL, SX, SX. If you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Okay, let's say yes. Okay, open the file now. Okay, now check fit2. Okay, we can edit without entering password. And let's check workbook. Right click here, yeah, insert, delete, rename, move, and or copy, view codes, protect, everything is what? Enable. Okay, thank you for watching.